Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about self-help books. 1. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Small changes compound over time. Focus on building identity-based habits and consistent routines. 2. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Embrace the present moment for true peace. Mindfulness and awareness reduce stress and increase happiness. 3. Mindset by Carol S. Dweck. Adopt a growth mindset to embrace challenges, effort and perseverance. Lead to success and resilience. 4. Grit by Angela Duckworth. Passion and perseverance are key to long-term success. Talent is not enough. Sustained effort matters. 5. The Subtle Art of Not Giving AF**CK by Mark Manson. Focus on what truly matters and let go of the rest. Embrace life's challenges and accept limitations. 6. You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. Boost self-confidence and create a life you love. Overcome self-doubt and achieve your goals. 7. The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. 4 Principles for Personal Freedom. Be impeccable with your word. Don't take anything personally. Don't make assumptions. And always do your best. 8. Daring Greatly by Brené Brown. Vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. Build resilience by embracing imperfections. 9. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Mindset and habits drive financial and personal success. Thoughts become things when combined with desire and persistence. 10. Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. Take control of your emotions, finances, and life. Harness your inner power for personal transformation. 11. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Build strong relationships and effective communication. Influence others positively through genuine interest and empathy. 12. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. Develop habits for personal and professional success. Focus on principles like proactivity and synergy. 13. Flow by Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. Achieve happiness through a state of flow. Engage in activities that fully absorb you. 14. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Understand and change habits for better outcomes. Use the cue-routine reward loop to your advantage. 15. Quiet by Susan Cain. Introverts have unique strengths and power. Celebrate the quiet power of introverts in a loud world. 16. Drive by Daniel H. Pink. Intrinsic motivation leads to higher performance, autonomy, mastery, and purpose drive motivation. 17. Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman. EQ is more important than IQ in achieving success. Recognize, understand, and manage emotions effectively. 18. The Happiness Project by Gretchen Rubin. A year-long journey to increase happiness. Focus on small changes to improve overall well-being. 19. The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. Embrace imperfections to live a wholehearted life. Cultivate courage, compassion, and connection. 20. The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. Transform your life with an empowering morning routine. Implement daily practices for personal growth. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye.